everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a huge unboxing video for you guys. My sister actually sent me and my husband some stuff for the Valentine's Day and she ordered everything from Flipkart. A big shout out to her. Thank you so much for ordering all these gifts for me. So I have a huge unboxing lined up for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have my faithful pair of scissors here with me and also a glass of water just to help me out with this journey. So I'm picking out the packages in random. So I will start off with this one. I don't know what this is. Let's just open up. Also, I will put the prices of all the things somewhere on the screen here or here. And also I will try to find out the links for all these things from Flipkart and link them down below. So do check the description box. And I'm going to open the first package. Whoa. So much packaging and so much stuff gives me so much anxiety. So I see two things here in the package. Let me open the first one. Damn, I should go with the scissors and not my hands. Okay. I'm just too curious to see what it is. Looks like, ooh, wow, these are a pair of fake eyelashes. And this is from the company Bonjour. I love eyelashes. My sister knows how much I love my fake eyelashes. So thank you so much for this. And the next one, let me open this up. I'm a savage right now opening packages, destroying everything. But later on I'm the one who's going to clean this mess up, so I better be careful. Ooh, this is a very nice eyelash curler. I was definitely in need of a new eyelash curler and I'm so glad my sister sent me this because my earlier eyelash curler is actually a little damaged. So thank you so much for this once again. Moving on, we'll open this package. So I'll just ruthlessly cut this package off. Hopefully the thing is not damaged inside. Oh, and this is a wallet. That's so nice. Let me open this. Oh wow, this is a wallet from Puma and this is a black wallet. I love this wallet. This looks so sleek. Oh my god, you have the card compartments and a little pouch to keep your coins. This is so nice. And this is for my husband and not for me. So thank you again for this one, my dear sister. Thank you from him. Next, I want to move on to this one because this looks like a big package. So let me open this. I must be really very careful not to cut my hands open. Whew, let me drink some water. I'm really thirsty. I think this anxiety of opening all the packages and all the surprises is getting to me. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so this is packaged like this. I have no clue what this is. I'm very curious. I don't want to damage whatever's inside. Comment down below who agree with me that opening packages from online companies is just a horrible mess and really difficult. I'm glad they have packaged everything very securely, so I'm thankful that nothing might be broken. Oh, this is a cosmetic organizer. Organizador de Cosmetico. That's what's written. Okay, let me open this up because I'm curious to see how it looks. Oh, wow! So this looks like a very nice flower arrangement and you can put your lipsticks in it. I think this is really gorgeous because I do have a ton of lipsticks that I can put in here and use this as a storage device for my makeup. So thank you once again for this. Let's open some cardboard packages. Okay. These are the ones that I'm actually scared of because I don't know, I always feel that I'm going to cut my hand off while opening these ones and I'll be really careful not to do that because that's not what I'm aiming for here, right? Ooh! I see cosmetics and that makes me very happy. Oh wow, I see two cosmetics here. So here is the MUA Makeup Academy Professional Eyeshadow. Let me just open this up. so that I can show you the shades. And this is the eyeshadow palette Undressed. And here's the back, and here is the front. Let me just open it and show you guys all the shades. So these are all the shades that are there. This is a very neutral palette, as I can say from the look of it. Let me try one light and one dark shade. So I'm going to try this one and the black one. Okay. Ooh, this is really pigmented. I will definitely try to use this in one of my upcoming makeup looks and see how this pans out. Also in this package was this Elle Colourpops lipstick. Let me open this. Again, I would need my scissors because this is tightly securely packaged. And this is the Elle Colourpops in the number 58. And this is how the packaging looks. Ooh, this is a very nice color. Let me just watch it. This is a very nice orangey red color. Thank you so much for those two makeup items. Next, I have this package. This is my package opening music. Oh, so this is another Elle Colourpop lipstick. Oh wow. And this is in the shade number 63. And this is the packaging. Oh, this is also a very nice red color, but this is more pinky red. Next, let me open this one because I don't know yet what this is, and it looks interesting. Okay. Ooh, I see Timex, so that means it's definitely a watch, but is it for me or is it for my husband? I am not sure. Oh wow, I think he's going to be super duper uber happy with this watch. So this is definitely for my husband, and I'm going to show you how the watch looks. So this is the watch. It has a brown belt, and he loves his belt watches because they're easier to wear than the chain ones. And this is how the watch looks. I am absolutely stoked with this watch. This looks absolutely fantastic and amazing. And thank you once again to my big sister for this gift. Next, I have this package, and I'm going to cut it off. I'm trying to guess what is inside. Sounds like a tiffin box. I don't know what's in there actually. So let's stop guessing and let's cut the package open. Okay. Ooh, I don't know what this is. It's in bubble wrap. Oh my god, this is the Naked 3 Urban Decay brush set. I've seen this on Amazon, but I never bought them. Oh wow. So this is how the brush sets come. As you can see, they are definitely not the actual Urban Decay ones, but they are dupes. And let me show you one brush. This can be used as a contour brush. Texture of this is very soft, very smooth. As in case of fallouts, as of now I can't see any, but we will have to wash this and then realize if there are any fallouts or not. There are total 11 brushes in this set, and I really love these brushes and I will definitely give them a try. So thank you so much for this. Moving on, we are left with only 3 more packages, thank God, and I'm going to open the next one. This is going to be a headache because the things I do for you guys and the things I do. Okay, so this is again another lipstick. Oh my god, I love lipsticks. And this is again the Elle Colourpop, and this is in the number 25. Let's just swatch this and see what the color is. If I can open it. Let It's securely packaged once again. I hate packaging. Ooh, this is a very nice color. I love these kind of dark Kylie colors. And this is a very, I don't know, the camera is not catching the actual color, but it's a very dark Kylie kind of a color, like brownish, maroonish dark color. I can maybe put my Elle lipsticks in here because I've got a couple now. And wait. So I've put all my lipsticks here for the time being because it looks really nice. Next I'm going to move on to this package. I also did another unboxing video or what I got from my sister as gifts. So I will put that in the description bar below as well so that you guys can check that unboxing video. This is just incredibly amazing. Now here are 3 lipsticks and there are 3 more lipsticks here. So this container is full. Oh my god, how many lipsticks has she sent me? So these are again the Elle lipsticks. So first let me try the color number 57. Again I'm going to swatch it and show you guys how it looks. So this is a very nice pinky shade. This is the color here. Next we have number 15 and let's watch this. Oh, again this is a very nice Kylie color. So this is a mauvey brown color. This is the swatch right there. The next one would be the number 48 and the shade is Pink Blossom. I think others had shades too. I just completely missed it, I guess. And this is again a very nudish pink color. So I'll definitely do a full lip swatch review on this because I have 3 more Elle Colourpop lipsticks that I got earlier. And I will definitely try to make a video on that one, so stay tuned. Moving on, we have come to the end of the video and the unboxing show, guys. And this is the last huge big package that is left. So let's not delay any further and cut this bad boy open, because I'm not sure what this is and I really need to be very careful. I don't want to break anything. And it has styrofoam plating, so I'm thinking this is something breakable. I hope it's not broken because then I will be heartbroken and disappointed. So everything will break all at once. So I'm just going to remove the styrofoam very carefully. Oh my god, there's styrofoam everywhere. I hate this. I'm going to just gently pull it out because okay. This is a makeup organizer. Oh my god, this is the plastic cosmetic organizer. And this is how the box looks. So let's open this and see what's inside. And if everything is perfectly fine. Oh my god, I'm going to tear this box open apart because the 13x4. And this is just so amazing to display all your lipsticks. I think this is the perfect thing ever to display all your lipsticks. I mean, come on, look at this beauty. I can't even, words can't even describe how I'm feeling right now. I'm just so elated and so happy and I feel out of this world. And one more thing, a big thank you to Flipkart because nothing is broken. None of the products that I received were broken. So everything is in perfect condition and it reached me on time. And thank you so much. Thank you. A big thank you from me and my husband to my big sister for giving me all these gifts for Valentine's Day. You definitely made our day very special. Thank you so much for that. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked this unboxing video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.